My best friend in school was bullied because her parents were older than others. But little did we know, her parents had been trying for a decade to have a baby. Although they've experienced early signs of successful pregnancy, they always ended up in early miscarriages. After cycles of hope and desperation, they finally had their precious little angel who turned into an amazing human. But in this world, there are many couples who are just praying to have a baby, even though they may appear perfectly healthy. You see, fertility isn't something that we should take for granted. If you're watching this, you've actually defied the odds of the toughest selection because pregnancy loss occurs in approximately 70% of all natural conceptions, mostly before a woman even realizes a missed period. What does that mean? Early cell divisions are absolutely critical because that one fertilized cell needs to lay down the foundation for all 37 trillion cells that make up me and you today. But surprisingly, the very first division in life goes wrong more often than it goes right. Why is that? Well, what better use of my PhD than to figure out why is life so hard and help people make cute babies? So my project aims to look at the first embryonic division in real time, with fluorescent labeling of the chromosomes and the spindle machinery that pulls chromosomes apart. This remarkable level of detail will allow us to track the things that need to happen and what exactly could go wrong. For example, the spindle machinery sometimes has the wrong shape and doesn't separate chromosomes properly, and therefore each daughter cell will end up with the wrong amount of genetic information. The physical splitting of the cell may also fail, so you don't end up with two separate cells at all. Now, knowing what errors can occur, we can then start to test the molecular toolbox that may explain why they occur. Ultimately, we'd like to use both visual and genetic information to help design patient-specific treatment. It's been a dream to see life unfold right in front of my eyes, but more importantly, I truly hope that we can improve the accuracy and success rate of fertility treatment so that patients don't need to suffer for a whole decade of heartbreaks. I also hope that beginning from today, we can all appreciate just how far we've come from that mysteriously vulnerable cell. Life may be hard now, but not that hard, right?